Today we're going to unbox the new remote control for our Samsung.
Yay.
Here's the old remote control. All the labels have worn off and the sound button is intermittent, doesn't work. Volume.
I think it's a TV, that's my opinion.
Well, we'll see. This is a case for it. We'll get to that after we open this up.
Case. This is the remote control.
Okay, this is the remote control. Model number for the remote control. NB59-01292A. B. It's for the 2018 Smart TV UHD. That's exactly what we have.
There is the TV.
Okay, I opened it up. Did you want to see it?
Samsung 65 inches.
Oh, there it is.
It's an exact duplicate, look. Okay, then to put the batteries in.
It's safe work.
But it fits a lot of models. Hey, doesn't open. Oh, you got it. Thank you.
There you go.
Okay, it takes two
Take out these.
AA batteries.
It's alive now.
Where's the cover right there?
If not work, return to Amazon.
Easy return.
Easy return if it's not working.
I place it. This is how you do it. Okay, you grab it and then you
Snap
place it
place.
in and then ta-da,
Tara.
champion RJ.
That works.
Oh, let's see. Try. Testing the remote control. Oh, it's working now. The
Okay,
volume.
Confused.
You want to test it?
Okay, testing, RG.
Test all the buttons.
Okay,
Go.
turn off TV.
Oh, it's work. Okay,
Turn on TV.
turn on. There you go.
Microphone.
Volume. There is the volume. Oh, it's working. Okay.
Numbers.
No, first I want to go home. Okay, check it.
Second, they says if this works. The up button works. That go works. That works. And if this works. This works. Okay. This button.
Go to the channel.
What?
Testing the channel.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, testing the YouTube.
It does.
YouTube. There you go. There it is. It's working. The YouTube.
Let's see. Did you try the sound? Does that work?
Yes, tried it.
Let me see. Microphone.
The microphone is the only one that doesn't work.
Okay.
On this. Works on this.
Yep. So microphone does
YouTube.
not work on here. At least we don't know
YouTube.
for sure. Not that we use the microphone that much.
Now we have two robots. Only works on this.
Okay, let's show the cover we bought too.
Okay, go.
This is the cover.
Okay, unbox the cover.
Now
Because we can
already
never
opened-
find this. We have dark couches and it always gets lost on the couch somewhere.
Yep. Okay.
Go ahead, put it on.
There you go. Slowly.
Now it needs to
Let me have it.
go in.
There you go. Whoa, look at that. There you go.
Okay, so
Nice.
that's the remote.
That's a brand new remote.
We'll check on the microphone why that didn't work.
Here guys, the manual. Only microphone is not works. I not know what's wrong.
Looks like it will.
There it is. The remote cover.
Looks like I should get the light.
The user manual right here. Hit the home button. You got your smart TV channels like Netflix, Prime Video, DirecTV. You can move this select button to select what you want.
Hulu.
You can go to YouTube, NASCAR.
Playing the full race.
So that works. The select, the directional pad, the select, return. If I go to home, return, that works. Channel button works. Volume works. That's what we got a new one for, was the volume, really.
This is Jeff up the boot.
Back to DirecTV.
This is it.
Power. Power button works. Slides right in here. There you go. Done. It also acts as a protector when you drop it.
Shock. Test.
We'll check into the microphone why that doesn't work.
Shock resistant test.
Okay guys, that's it. That is thing of a brand new remote control.
Samsung TV.
Samsung TV model is, what's that?
UN6300, something like that. But it's for multiple TVs, the smart Samsung TVs, the newer ones.
Okay, that's it for now.
Samsung.
If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.